In this video, I will show you how to recover a deleted file in Google Drive. So let's get started. I have already opened my Google Drive. Now let's delete a file from Google Drive. Select a file and press delete on the keyboard and file is now deleted. When the file gets deleted, it will be moved to trash folder. So on the left, click trash. All your deleted files are listed in trash. This is the file that we just deleted. So to restore a file, right click the file and click restore. Now the file is moved back to Google Drive. Note that all the files in trash will be deleted permanently after 30 days of deletion. So you can only restore a file if 30 days are not passed since the file was deleted. So that is how you can recover a deleted file in Google Drive. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.